Is wrapping your vehicle worth the money? Well, today we're gonna find out because I'm gonna give you 5 reasons why wrapping your vehicle is the smartest thing you can do for your business. And if you stick around, I will give you a 6th reason. Let's go. One, marketing. A wrap is basically a moving billboard. You have the information, you have your phone number, you got your QR, you got your whatever logo or whatever information you want to put on there, it's there. Vehicle wraps is one and done. You get your wrap done and you have a free salesman essentially. Unlike ads that you pay for every single month, a vehicle wrap works as long as you're driving. Number 2 is that it makes you look professional and established. Nothing says that you're more professional than having your logos on your entire fleet. I'm talking about your trucks, your trailers, your cars. It just tells people that you are about your business. All of scammers, bad subcontractors, and just crappy jobs, having your truck wrapped or your vehicle wrapped is going to tell your client that you are about your business, that they can trust you, you have built out a brand, and that you have invested in your business and you're ready to invest your time, your skills, your expertise in them. Talking about trust, if you trust me enough to watch the video this far, you might as well trust me with a like and a subscribe. And if we're talking about things that have to do with your business, leave me a comment to know what you want to know next on how to grow your business.
Hey, over here.
Reason number 3, you're gonna catch all the local customers. With a wrap, you're providing an in-person experience. People will talk to other people. I know that everybody lives behind a screen now, but with a wrap, you get to communicate with your own, community in person. They get to see that you're a real company, that you're a real person, and that you're gonna be the one that gets the job done. People in your own city, your own town, your own county are gonna see you riding around, and that's how you're gonna get business right in your next door. Rather promote within your own city, and you get those customers that are gonna be the best fit for you, and you're gonna help them out. You're gonna help your city out, basically. Reason number 4, right? All right. Reason number 4, this is an investment. In the game of business, it's all about ROI, return on investment. And when it comes to a wrap, you're investing about $3,000 to $5,000 to get that money right back. Depending on the product and service you offer, you could probably get that money back within 1 to 2 jobs that you get from your custom wrap. Number 5, it adds a layer of protection to your vehicle. Wrap is kind of like clothing for your car. It basically adds a layer of protection to your existing body paint. It protects it from like weather, snow, rust, all of that nasty gunk that is on the road. You can basically wrap your car up, and after 2-3 years, you take the wrap off and your paint is back in great condition. And the 6th and my favorite reason of them all is because you get to personalize your vehicle to your brand. When it comes to a wrap, you can go crazy on it. I'm talking you can do glossy finish, satin finish, matte finish, metallic finishes. You could throw flames on it. You could throw crazy designs, color shift designs on it. Put your logo big, put your logo bad. Like, you can really do whatever you want when it comes to a wrap. Go crazy, because at the end of the day, if you don't like it, or if you already switch up styles, you can always rewrap it again. That is the beauty of a wrap. With so much competition out there, a wrap is not only worth the money, it is a must. I'm June with Ray Signs, where we don't just build signs, we build brands. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this, where I show you how to grow your business. Bye.
グッドボタン、チャンネル登録もお願いします。